Coronavirus death toll in the United States for the first time exceeded 700 in one day, according to data compiled by The Washington Post. The total number of deaths nationwide on Tuesday surpassed 3,400, more than the number of people who died in the initial September 11, 2001, attacks and surpassing the number of deaths attributed to the viral outbreak in China, where it was first reported late last year. The confirmed number of infections worldwide continues to grow, surpassing 800,000 on Tuesday. In the United States, there are more than 175,000 confirmed cases. Health officials have warned the virus could kill as many as 200,000 people in America. Here are some significant developments. 3 senior Senate Democrats asked Treasury Secretary Steven Mnuchin to honor the terms of the coronavirus law enacted last week, expressing alarm that President Trump took a step to curb the program's oversight and pressing to, without delay, nominate a new inspector general to oversee and probe the funding. New York recorded 332 new deaths Monday for a total of 1,550, Gov. Cuomo said. It marks the first time the state has reported more than 300 deaths in a day. Cuomo also noted that his younger brother, CNN anchor Chris Cuomo, had tested positive for the virus. He is going to be fine, Gov. Cuomo said of his brother, who intends to keep working on his shows. Italy reported 837 new deaths Tuesday, raising its toll to 12,428, the highest of any nation. Spain reported 849 new deaths earlier in the day, the worst 24-hour period yet in an outbreak that has killed 8,189 people there. Months into the outbreak, world leaders are pushing their pandemic responses to the brink, with an unprecedented state of emergency declared in Hungary, military hospital ships arriving in New York and Los Angeles, Ethiopia postponing its first truly democratic elections, and Japanese citizens being warned against travel to a third of the world. California is granting early release to 3,500 inmates to reduce crowding in prisons and limit the spread of the coronavirus, multiple outlets reported Tuesday. The release will be conducted across the coming few weeks, according to court filings by state lawyers, and apply to those serving terms for nonviolent crimes, who are also set to be released in the next 60 days. The state has confirmed coronavirus infections among 22 correctional facility staffers and at least 4 inmates. On Tuesday afternoon, Gov. Gavin Newsom reported 6,932 confirmed cases in the state. Earlier in the day, state lawyers told a 3-judge panel that extraordinary and unprecedented protective measures were needed to protect inmates in the 35 state prisons, according to multiple reports. This came soon after the chief doctor at New York's Rikers Island called the prison facility a public health disaster unfolding before our eyes. The doctor, Ross McDonald, issued his warning in tweets on Monday night, urging New York officials to address a growing problem inside prisons.